Imagine this. The economy takes a sharp downturn, layoffs make headlines, and uncertainty fills the air. Now picture yourself in the same situation, but instead of panic, you feel calm and in control. Why? Because you've built a financial plan so strong that no recession can shake it. Sounds like a dream? It doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a recession-proof financial plan. One that's not only practical but designed for real life. By the end, you'll have the tools to thrive no matter what the economy throws your way. Stick around because I'm also sharing a bonus tip that could completely transform your financial future. Let's start with the basics. A recession-proof financial plan is like an umbrella in a storm. It shields you when the economic winds get rough. It's not about knowing when a recession will hit. It's about being prepared no matter what. Think of it as a safety net that covers every aspect of your financial life. Your savings, income, investments, and even your mindset. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a financial guru or earn six figures to create one. All you need is a plan and the willingness to start today. The first cornerstone of a recession-proof plan is an emergency fund. This is your financial life jacket. Start by calculating your basic monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Multiply that by 3 to 6 months. That's your goal. For example, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, aim to save $6,000 to $12,000. Sound overwhelming? Don't worry. Start small. Automate a portion of your paycheck, say $50 or $100, into a high-yield savings account. Over time, those small contributions will grow into a significant safety net. Platforms like Ally Bank or Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer great interest rates, helping your money grow while it sits. Here's a tip. Treat your emergency fund like your Netflix subscription. You wouldn't skip your monthly payment, right? Do the same with your savings. Set it and forget it. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom, especially during a recession. High-interest credit card debt can snowball if your income suddenly drops. So, prioritize paying it off. There are two popular methods, the avalanche and the snowball. With the avalanche, you pay off debts with the highest interest rates first. With the snowball, you start with the smallest balances to build momentum. Choose the one that works for you and stick with it. Here's a practical example. Let's say you have 3 credit cards. One with a $5,000 balance at 18% interest, another with $3,000 at 12%, and a third with $1,000 at 10%. Using the avalanche method, you'd focus on the $5,000 card first while making minimum payments on the others. This saves you the most in interest over time. But if you need motivation, tackle the $1,000 card first and celebrate that quick win. Pro tip. Call your credit card company and negotiate a lower interest rate. Many people don't realize this is possible, but it can save you hundreds over time. Relying on a single source of income is risky, especially when layoffs loom. Diversifying your income isn't just smart, it's essential. Start by identifying your skills. Can you write, design, or edit videos? Freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can help you monetize those talents. Not into freelancing? Sell handmade items on Etsy, drive for Uber, or even rent out a spare room on Airbnb. For example, imagine you earn $200 a month from a weekend side hustle. That's $2,400 a year. Enough to cover a month or two of living expenses. Diversification doesn't have to be complicated. It just requires consistency. Contrary to popular belief, recessions can be a great time to invest. The key is to think long-term and stay diversified. Index funds and ETFs are excellent choices because they spread your investment across multiple companies, reducing risk. Defensive stocks, like those in healthcare or utilities, tend to perform well even when the economy slows. Here's a practical approach. Suppose you have $100 to invest each month. Instead of putting it all in one stock, consider an S&P 500 index fund. Historically, these funds have provided steady returns over the long term. And remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Real estate is another option. REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in property without actually buying a house. It's an excellent way to generate passive income, even during downturns. Automation is the secret weapon of financial success. Automate your savings so you don't even think about it. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid late fees. And if you're investing, use robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront to make consistent contributions without lifting a finger. Automation ensures you're building wealth even when life gets busy. There you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to building a recession-proof financial plan. The truth is, recessions are inevitable, but the way you prepare can make all the difference. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on progress, not perfection. If this video gave you value, hit that like button and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to Dollars and Decisions for more actionable tips on building wealth and securing your financial future. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's make it happen.